everybody. Dan McCoy here with our McCoy. We're in the Autocar booth. We have a loop belt from Schwing. You'll notice it has the Autocar body, and I believe that was one of the first of a kind. It was kind of a revolutionary truck and chassis for us, but I want to say thank you because it's done a pretty good job. It's a good machine. Glenn, take it away with new products.
Sure. Well, we've got two products here at the show. We're displaying our ACX Expediter model in a 6x4 configuration, which is a single front and a tandem rear. And then on the lift behind me here, we've got the 10x6, which is a tandem front, 40,000 pounds rated, and a tridem rear, which is rated for 69,000 pounds. It's got a 59-meter pump on it. We use all Cummins engines, predominantly the ISX 12 engine in the past. This year, 2019, Cummins has introduced the new X12 engine, a revolutionary new engine for Cummins. What it benefits us is it allows us to go from 450 up to 500 horsepower now, which gives you a little bit more speed and great ability out there on the road. But it's what it would benefit the pumpers is it's 600 pounds lighter, so you can carry a little bit more hose in the bed or put a little more equipment in the cab or whatever you want to do with that 600 pounds, but that's 600 pounds that we take off the front axle. So we're basically getting more horsepower, lighter engine, a little bit smaller package between the frame rails. And then we use Allison transmissions exclusively. We've got the 4500 and now the 4700 series. The 4700 is a 7-speed forward transmission and a 2-speed reverse. The second speed reverse is a creeper gear at 18-to-1. So when that goes into second gear, you can actually feel the rear end come down and bite in. And it's great for climbing in and out of a porthole. Give you that little bit more mobility. And then later this year, we're going to be introducing a new cab, basically getting away from the gauges. We'll have basically a flat panel screen. And with that flat panel screen, you'll have a number of options where you can have just a speedometer on it or a small cluster of gauges. Included in that will actually be our own onboard diagnostic still, which is exclusive to us, so you don't really have to purchase a computer and software to take a look at what's wrong with your engine when you get that mill light. Our onboard diagnostics will tell you that it's a DEF system or it's a low voltage or whatever it might be right there on a screen, so the driver can call back to the shop and say, hey, this is what it's doing, what you want me to do. You want me to continue on the job or you want me to come back? And that decision can be made rather than turning around and taking a look at it. And also, with that new screen and dashboard, all the electrical schematics and the routing of the electrical and air system is included. So your mechanic has that at his fingertips and can basically look and see for that air supply line that goes to the rear air suspension. You can find that. You can find where the control from the switch in the cab to all the way back to the rear axles by just tracing the lines on the screen. So that's going to be a big help as well in the future.
That's going to be a huge help. Yeah, most definitely. Yeah. Spending hours trying to resize PDF so you can read a schematic.
Yeah,
I've been there, done that. No, that's really great.
Yeah.
Well, Glenn, thanks a lot, man. You got some cool products here.
Appreciate it.
We're going to take a look at them.
Thanks for coming by.
Thanks.
All right.